better to ask than our favourite nurseryman, Vinny Diaco, what is in for spring? Vinny,
Hey,
go.
how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Basically, the Raffulepsis, the snow maidens, they're in for spring.
Okay.
Beautiful coastal plants.
Yes. And
Low
then,
hedging.
yes.
Great for in-between plants as well.
Yes.
And you could even go for the Viburnum mortissimum. They're great.
Okay,
A higher hedging plant.
Yep.
Grows to about 1.5 metres.
Beautiful.
To 2 metres, but very dense sort of a shrub. Really good for those fence lines.
Flowering.
Beautiful white flower.
In spring,
and summer.
Okay,
Perfect.
beautiful. So we're talking about that sort of thing for hedging. What about for sort of individual plants like...
Yeah, so you could go for the leucadendrons at the moment. Leucadendrons.
You've got a fantastic one out the
We've got
front.
a great range of all natives here. So leucadendrons are a great one.
Is that a native or isn't that African?
He's sort of African, you could say, but we could put it's in our native section.
It looks
so
native.
That's fine.
Yeah, okay,
yeah. So great. They're great for just specimens.
Okay, yes.
And just
so you'd pot that up next to the pool or something like that. Yeah, I can imagine.
Perfect.
Yeah,
and
gorgeous.
really hardy as well.
All right. So that's a semi-native. What about exotics? What have you got? What are people asking for at the moment?
So people at the moment are asking for, obviously, for the ones behind me, which is the aces, the Acer palmatums. They're asking for a lot of them. The thryptomines, which is the small ground cover, which is in a lot of flower at the moment. But they are high on demand as well.
Okay. The Philotheca, Cascade of Stars. I came and I fell in love with them when I saw them the other day. They are so divine.
Yes.
Came back to get some, all gone.
Yes.
So you've got to jump onto things when you see them. And everything that's flowering, everything's what everyone wants right now because we've had winter and we're going into spring and we need colour in our gardens.
Yes,
so
we definitely urge all our customers that if they do want something, come in, commit to it, because they don't last long this spring, that's for sure.
You've got to keep reordering.
Also, the Philotheca, the Winter Rouge, is quite nice as well. Just grows to 80 centimetre. Again, a nice small one.
Profusion.
The profusion, yes.
So there are a couple of those, aren't there?
Correct.
The Cascade of Stars just really stood out. And the bees were loving them. The bees were just all over these gorgeous plants. And what about shade plants?
So your shade plants, you could go for like the Plectranthus, the Mona Lavender.
Yes,
it's amazing at the moment. You could even go. We've got some beautiful Clivia miniatas that have just come in. They're in bloom at the moment as well.
Of course.
The Clivia miniata.
That's right.
Nice
They've got the
orange flower.
Sorry, I was about to say that. Orange, they can come in cream as well, can't they?
Peach as well.
Yeah. And what's going to add instant colour to a customer's garden at this time of year?
So,
that's what they want.
Yeah, so just the azaleas are really nice at the moment. Also, you've got the silver bush, or the convolvulus silver bush is looking good. Lavenders are also great.
Always
and
popular.
Also our kangaroo paws, they're looking
the oranges and reds, that's
correct.
True. Fabulous. Vinny, thank you so much. That has been really beneficial to me and to all of the gardeners around. If you're not already out enjoying your garden at this perfect time of year, I hope that this will encourage you to get down to your local nursery, Diaco's in particular, and find something special to put in your garden. You'll really benefit from it. Bye.